Welcome to Kumba Software DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about creating certificates from external hosts. The use case of this is that maybe you're creating something new or something's coming up that's new and you've got a list of external servers from which you need to get certificates for validation credentials or what have you. And you need to be able to get them into your appliances and get certificate objects created from them. That's what this tutorial is about. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. So I've got DPAA up and running. I've got a couple of appliances selected and I have a domain selected. And what I'm going to do is to show you there's no trickery involved here. I'm going to go ahead and search for all certificates. They're not there. There's none there. I'm going to go to the files and the cert, and that's the only directory I'm going to work with. I could work with others, but I'm going to show you there's nothing in the cert directory. Then I'm going to go to find certificates. Now I could use the hamburger menu, or I can right mouse click here and I can select create certificates from URLs. So what I get here is I get a dialog that enables me to begin entering URLs from which, now these could be server names or whatever. I'm just going to make it easy here. I'm going to go to www.ibm.com and I can put it in any file store I want, but I'm going to just select cert. And then I'm going to call this cert ibm.cer. And then the cert object name, I can say IBM, cert, something like that. And if I want to add another one, I can go into here and I can just do another one, right? Google.com. And this could be a backend server in your organization or whatever. I'll call it the google.cer and we'll do google.cer. I'm sorry, google.cert. Okay. So what we have is we have the URL from which we're going to extract the certificate. So a remote URL, which could be, like I say, a server within your organization or something like this, where we're going to store it, the name of the file that's going to be created on the DataPower appliances containing the certificates extracted from here. And then we're going to have the name of the certificate objects that will be created as we pull them into here. So now I'm going to select finish. And DPAA goes out and grabs all the information it needs, it uploads it all, it creates the certificate objects, and it pulls everything in. So what I'm going to do at this point is I've got find objects. I'm going to go back to the crypto certificate here, and I'm going to search. And as you can see now, I have 4 certificates. Now, the reason why I have 4 is I uploaded 2 into 2 different appliances into a single domain. So we have the Google cert, we have the IBM cert. We see it's up. If I go to the files directory and go to cert and I search there, you can see I've got the certificate files that were created by the names I had described them to be within the file store where I wanted them to be located. Another neat thing that we can do at this point is on find certificates. I can now search here and I'll be able to actually see these certificates show up, and you can see the expiration dates and the other things, where they came from, and that sort of thing. So as you can see, DPAA can be extraordinarily powerful in helping you get certificates into the box, certificate object created in preparation for anything that you might be preparing to create or do. Maybe there's been a new set of servers created and you're about to migrate over to them. That's what this use case is all about. So you can go out to www.kumbasoft.com and go to the features and tutorials page. There are many features and tutorials out there that you can watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so you can get all the updates that we present and any new features that we have created since you last watched any kind of video from our channels. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.